what is it? Rolling down the road with my Travato. I'm sorry. Yo, sports fans, I'm calling you out. Level up your presence at the pregame with this Winnebago Travato. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. I'm going to show you why this is a game day win. All right, sports fans, you're at the game, you're ready to pregame. You backed in your spot. Let me show you what's awesome about this Winnebago Travato. Slide open the door and you've got all kinds of stuff to work with. First and foremost, sunny day, maybe a little sprinkle in the forecast for you. Extend your full length awning for that wonderful protection. And as you're out here chatting and talking up the game, this nice rotary table comes out, holds my beer just fine. Plug in your devices with a multiple power strip, 110 or 12 volt for all your devices. Swing out the TV, check those lines on all those bedding. And last but not least, it's a little buggy out there. Check this out. Sports fans, you've been pre-gaming all day and that beverage is hitting you, right? Check this out. No need to go away and find that porta potty. Winnebago Travato has got you covered. Full on bathroom, wash hands, use the toilet. Heck, if you're out boondocking, out in the grass somewhere, you could even shower up. But check this out. We have privacy with an interior door, or like the awning, we can get some privacy, more importantly, keep the bugs out with the rear screen door. What do you think? Sports fans, you know what I mean when you're packing up ready for that pregame. You got all kinds of stuff. What if I told you this coach by Winnebago, this Travato is going to make it so much easier? How? Full on kitchen. Man, you can take your pregame level up big notch. You have a sink, you have counter space, you got to cook up some of them dogs, you got a 2-burner stove. Best of all of it, you got a refrigerator already here. You don't have to worry about bringing a cooler. Microwave to heat up some stuff more quickly. Plenty of counter space to prep all those pre-game meals. Check that out. And what I love about what Winnebago's done here, you've got seats to rotate. Again, you've got this rotary table that allows me to have a couple extra people inside. That's leveling up my pregame for sure. All right, sports fans, you got a long day of pregaming. How are you gonna power up all this stuff? You got the refrigerator, you've got a microwave, TV, etc., etc. Guess what? Winnebago Travato's got you covered. 2 power sources, battery or the generator for 110. But there's a nice in-betweener. You've got an inverter. The inverter is going to take your 12-volt battery power and turn it into 110, so that way you can plug in some of your 110 appliances, turn on the tube to catch up on some pregame activity, and that's all being recharged by big solar panels up on the roof. But hey, that's not enough. You've got your grill top outside, you've got some other things that you need battery sources that aren't going to keep up. You have an onboard generator. That's immediately going to give you ample amount of power to source up any of those gadgets that you bring. That's a way to level up your pregame presence. What do you think? All right, pre-gamers, man, it's been a long day of partying, right? Everybody's tired, but hey, the Winnebago Travato is not gonna let you down on the way home. We have 2 twin beds to easily rest some of those tired people. And more importantly, on the drive home, with this Dodge Ram chassis, I have so many seat positions, telescoping wheel, or not. Blooper. Anywho, this thing is a dream. This is like your car with just a little bit more functionality to it, so you can make it a breeze getting home safe and sound. All right, sports fans, what do you think? A way to level up your presence at pregame? Absolutely. I know it will at our Baltimore games. Shout out to our Orioles, #2 in the league, baby. Anyway, this Winnebago Travato is going to give you all the creature comforts that you need to make that level up presence at the pregame and give you the comfort to be able to enjoy everything and everyone. I'm Mikey B at Beckley's RVs. Show us some love, give us a like, comment below on anything you think to be able to level up your pregame presence, and smash that subscribe button. We'll see you at the game.
Rolling down the road with my Travato. Rolling down the road with my Travato. Rolling down the road, rolling down the road. Rolling down the road, rolling down the road.
Yo, sports fans, I'm calling you out. Level up your presence at the pregame with this Winnebago Travato. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. I'm going to show you why this is a game day win.